Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit text in Notepad++. If you're a beginner, learning how to edit text is one of the most important skills. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Open an existing file or create a new one. Type a few lines of text in the editor. To edit text, simply click anywhere in the document and start typing. You can place the cursor at the beginning, middle, or end of a line and add new text. If you want to change a word, select it with your mouse and type the new word. The old text will be replaced automatically. To remove text, select the text and press the delete key. You can also use the backspace key to remove characters one by one. If you want to move text, select it and press Ctrl+X to cut it. Then click in a new location and press Ctrl+V to paste it. To copy text without removing it, select the text and press Ctrl+C. Move the cursor to another location and press Ctrl+V to paste the copied text. You can also edit multiple lines by selecting them with your mouse. This makes it easy to update or reorganize your text quickly. After making your changes, save the file by clicking File, then Save, or simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. That's it. You have successfully learned how to edit text in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Notepad++ tutorials. See you in the next video.